Namaste, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ms. Amandeep Kaur. So let's do subject maths of 5th class, chapter 7, geometry. So let's start exercise 7.3. So here first part, circle the symmetrical figures of the following. So here let me tell you what do you mean by symmetrical figures or symmetry, line of symmetry. When we divide any figure in two equal parts that they can congruent each other, that figures are called symmetrical figures, and the line which divides the figure in two equal parts, that line is called line of symmetry. So here we are given the figures, we have to divide them symmetrically, right? So here we have a cup, we will divide drawing this line, right? Next we have a fan, we have to divide this figure. So you can see here both of its parts are symmetrical. Now next figure we have a tree. So we will divide these figures symmetrically by drawing a line of symmetry. Next figure is an aeroplane. Here you can see we will divide this symmetrically and both of its parts are symmetrical. Now second, draw symmetry line in the following. So here we will draw the symmetry line. Similarly, you can see all the lines are drawn, right? So all the figures are divided symmetrically. A, L, V, K and this heart. Now third part, draw the line of symmetry of the following. So here similarly we will divide these figures in symmetrical parts. First we have a electrical bulb, second we have LCD, right? And next we have a kite. Got it? So we have drawn the lines of symmetry. Fourth figure, here it is a gate, so we have drawn the line of symmetry. Fifth, similarly here and similarly in sixth figure, there are number of lines of symmetry, right? Different figures may have different number of lines of symmetry. As say for example the figure 6, all the lines are lines of symmetry. Fourth part, we have complete the figure if total line is a line of symmetry. Here we will draw the symmetrical part of the given part, right? So you can see we have drawn all the figures. Now let's start exercise 7.4. So here first pick out 2D and 3D shapes from the following. Encircle 2D shapes with circle and draw a triangle on 3D shapes, right? Let me tell you what are 2D and 3D shapes. 2D shapes are those shapes which occupies only area, right? And the figures which occupies area as well as volume are called 3D shapes. So here first figure we have a triangle. So this is a 2D shape. Next we have this figure. You can see. So this is a 3D shape because it occupies area as well as volume. Similarly, this is a cylinder. It occupies space, means area as well as volume, right? Next, we have a square. So this is a 2D shape, right? And this is a football, which is a 3D shape. Similarly, this is almara, which is 3D shape. Next, we have a rectangle, 2D shape. Next, we have a tree, 3D shape. And next, we have a circle, which is 2D shape. Now, next, exercise 7.5. So here, give an example of the following from the surroundings. Figure first cuboid. So, its example is matchbox. Next, cube, we can say dice. Cone, birthday cap. We can say straw to drink any liquid, right? Second, which of the following can form cube? Draw them on paper and find answers. So let me tell you, cube is formed of 6 pieces of square. So here in A part we have 6 pieces of square. So here we can say that we can form a cube. Similarly in B part we can form a cube. C part we can form a cube. Next in D part we can form a cube. E part we cannot form a cube because it has only 5 pieces of square. F part we have 6 pieces of square, so we can form the cube, right? G part we cannot form a cube because it has 8 pieces of square. H part we have only 5 pieces of square, so we cannot form a cube. Next Name the figures made from the following nets. We are given nets. So here you can see A part. Here we are given 6 pieces of square, so we can form a cube. In B part we have 4 rectangles and 2 squares, so we can form using them a cuboid. Right? Got it? And C part we have a triangle and a circle, so we can form a cone using these two parts. D part we have a rectangle and 2 circles, so using them we can form a cylinder shape. Fourth part, match the following figures with their nets. So here A part we have a cylinder, so we know that cylinder can be formed using a rectangle and 2 circles. So answer you can see. B part, similarly we have a cube. Cube is formed of 6 squares, so here it will get match. C part we have a cuboid, so cuboid requires 4 rectangles and 2 squares, so you can see the answer. D part we have a cone which is formed of a triangle and a circle, so here it is matched. So we have done. Thank you so much for watching this video.